Could you guess how much this property cost? I don't think so, but let's see if you can do it. Let's go. Welcome one more time to this channel. Today we are here at this open house. I'm gonna give you all the details about this property and see if you can guess the price of this home, okay? Right now we are in the main floor. The front door is just behind us, and in this floor we have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We have the kitchen, the living room. Also we can appreciate the arch view in this beautiful terrace. And remember, this is an open house, that's why we have some people making us company. As you see, we have the heated pool here, the jacuzzi, the barbecue area, our fire pit with this cozy and lovely view. Now I'm gonna take you to the rooms. We have 2 rooms here, as I mentioned it before, one in the right side and one in the left side. Let's go to the right side first. Half bathroom. This is kind of a master because it has this amazing view and access directly to the pool and the view. Let's check the bathrooms. It's nice here. Let's see the other room. Here's the front door, the kitchen. Very big, very spacious, very nice, modern. And this is the second room that we have in this floor. It has access to the terrace. Okay, I'm gonna take you to the basement because this house is 2 floors. Right here we have the living area. This house, it has 6 bedrooms and 6.5 bathrooms. As you see, this house, the ceilings are high. That gives you the sensation like it's big. So if you see this side, we have 2 bedrooms, 1 here and 2 here. I'm gonna show you. This house, it comes fully furnished, equipped of course, well decorated and beautiful. Now I'm gonna take you to the next room. This room is totally different. is decorated like with different colors. I think the design, it gives you the sensation like it's clean. And every room, it has their own private bathroom. Okay, this is another living room, well decorated as well. This house is 7,144 square foot. I think it's pretty big. And in this room, it has their own private patio. It has some games for recreation. And in this way, we have the last room. As you see, this room is totally different than the others, and the colors are pretty also, and it has access to a mini patio too. And here, well, you can appreciate the decoration of the bathroom also. It is kind of a simple, but it's still nice. Okay, this property is well located in El Tezal, Cabo San Lucas. And of course, if you want to get in shape, we have the gym. So remember, we have 2 bedrooms in this side and 2 bedrooms in the other side, okay? Oh, we have another game here. Let's try it. I'm doing a good job. I'm getting better. Okay, knowing this, what do you think, guys? Could you guess how much this house cost? Once that you saw all the video and all the house, by me giving you all the details, like it's 6.5 bathrooms, 6 bedrooms, and it's like 7,100 square feet, and knowing that it has private pool, a jacuzzi, a barbecue, it has a beautiful terrace, it has 2 different patios. This design, the way that is decorated, the location, and one plus is having the arch view, which is huge here in Cabo, because that adds value to this property. Knowing that it's well located in El Tezal, so how much do you think this house is gonna cost? Okay, let me know in the comments, and if you put a number, I will give you a direct message to you and say if it's correct or not, okay? Thank you very much for watching all the videos. If you guess the price of this property, I'm gonna give you a reward for that in your next purchase of a property here in Los Cabos, okay? All the details are gonna be in the description of this video, so please stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and please follow me for more. See you in the next video.